हाँ जी, Saryanu Ram Ram. 3-0 down against Madrid. Against Real Madrid, who in this particular competition have made miracles look a normal thing. And now everyone is saying the same. It's over. It is over for us, right? But here's the thing. If you truly believe that it's over, then maybe this message is not for you. This video is not for you. And I'm not going to sit here and convince you or to tell you that you should be feeling the same as I do. But if you don't believe in us, if you don't believe in the comeback, if you don't believe in this Manchester City team, then this video is not for you guys. Seen in the comments, I read Twitter, and I've seen people telling me this team does not have the spirit to make a comeback. बातें करने से कुछ नहीं होता. No KDB. Form is the issue. I get it. I get all of it. I'm not denying it. But the whole point is, when you're 3-0 down, doubts are natural. But football has never, ever been played on comments. It is played on moments. And if there's one team who is built on moments, it is this game. It is. I'm not in any way, shape, or form saying कि हम ये कर देंगे, हम वो कर देंगे. But the point of us being football fans is to support our club when they are not performing well. It's far easier to support a club when they are up and above, because that is where everybody thinks their club should be. But it is very difficult to support your club when like everybody is doubting them. और मेरा बस इतना ही कहना है कि for anybody who has ever supported Man City or whoever likes to see Man City play, you would know that in the past 10 years, this team has given us so many beautiful moments, so many comeback moments, that it is on us to at least give this team one more chance. People say we don't have the spirit. But let me ask you this one question then. Did spirit win us the treble? Was it the mentality? Because for me, spirit does fades. But belief, as a manager said, it's a decision. Belief is a decision because अगर आप नहीं ये believe करोगे कि आप कुछ कर सकते हो, तो आप already नहीं करने वाले हो. What do you guys think? Madrid अपने लक से यहाँ तक पहुंचा है क्या? No, they believed. They believed when logic was telling them that there's no hope, there's no chance of them competing against Man City. They believed, their fans believed, they created the atmosphere, they rallied their troops in such a way that they fought everything. They fought tooth and nail with Man City. And at the end of the day, they came on top. एक गेम में जब सारे फैंस मिल गए, सारे प्लेयर्स मिल गए, सबके विजन अलाइन हो गए, even the hardcore Madrid fans didn't believe. But that team did, and that is why they are at top. That is why this club has won so many Champions League. और अगर आप चाहे जिसको मिर्ची लगे, but अगर if you really want to compete with likes of Madrid, you need to have that kind of belief. If you don't, then I'm so sorry. With all the football that you can play, you can have all the best players in the world, you can have all the money, but if you don't have the belief, you are not in it. You are never going to make it. You are never ever going to make it in this competition. Our players are out of form. Yes, Erling Haaland is having a stinker. But if your entire belief depends upon one player, if your entire belief depends upon few weeks of bad football, then I don't know why you're supporting this team. Then there was no belief in first place for me. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि आपके अंदर कोई belief थी ही नहीं. Because this isn't about one man. This isn't about a system. This isn't about who plays for the club. This is about them knowing why it is important for the fans. This is because Pep knows, after the humiliation that we received at the hands of Bernabeu, it is now our time to show the world why people hate us so much. Because we know deep down inside, and everybody knows that if there's one team who can do it, I think this is this team. मतलब मुझे कोई ये बता दे, अगर लिवरपूल ने हमारी तरह गिव अप कर दिया होता तो क्या कभी कमबैक करती? अगर रोमा ने अगर गिव अप कर दिया होता तो कभी वो कमबैक करती? I don't know. There's so many cases. There's so many teams that have made comeback. I am not at all saying it is going to be easy. It is never easy against Madrid. It has never been done before. But there are few things in life that happens for the first time. And I think if you don't believe into that, then go home. Don't watch Man City play today. Let us rot. And please never come when City is winning. कभी आकर ये मत बोलना कि अरे मेरा club. Because if you can't support them right now, then I'm so sorry. You shouldn't be supporting them anyway, anytime soon. We are at home. We are at Etihad, and it's not just a stadium. We have treated it as a fortress. यहाँ पर हम लोग 2 साल हारे नहीं थे Champions League में. So this is the same stadium. a place where actually 3-0 does not feel impossible. It rather feels like a challenge. And for those fans who are saying first goal jita dega match, you're right. So imagine this. What happens when the first goal comes? What happens when the crowd erupts? Pressure does not stay on us anymore. It shifts. It shifts on Madrid. Let me address this one more point, which Pep Guardiola said, where he said, if you don't believe, then stay at home. I think that is not at all arrogance. I think that is the standard. And he's well within his right to say that to our fans, to everybody who has doubted us. अगर नहीं करना है, नहीं believe करना है, मत करो, मत देखो, match ही मत देखो. Because if you're watching match, deep down inside, you also think there's a possibility. So just be there. Support your club through thick and thins. पता नहीं जीतेंगे, पता नहीं हारेंगे, I don't know. But we should be supporting our club. And to the fans who think इस year नहीं होगा, we should try it next year. No. There's no next year in football. You never know. There might be no next year. You never know about with respect to verdict. You never know what might change. You never know how situation may pan out. It is this moment. Where you need to give everything for the club. Just remind yourself about those matches where you have given everything in the competition. I remember the Spurs game. I remember the Liverpool game. Yes, we didn't win those games, but we gave everything. We did everything right in our own hands to create moments for us. कभी कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता. But at least at the end of the day, all the fans, everyone who was watching Man City at that day, felt that these players did everything and they deserve a lot of credit. Yes, we didn't qualify for the semi-finals. Yes, we didn't qualify for the finals. Yes, we lost the finals as well. But we have always seen our team give everything. And this is the only thing that I ask our players to do today. Just be there. Just give everything and forget about these results and all. Yes, हार जाएंगे तो हार जाएंगे यार. वैसे भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. There's no shame in losing to Madrid, in my opinion, or to any other team in the Champions League, because every team deserves to be here. Every team who has reached here deserves to be here. And I think in a competition which has such fine limits, anybody can defeat anybody. We have seen that. So if you're coming to Etihad, if you're coming to watch Man City tonight, if you're watching at home, don't switch it off. Because if this team scores 1, then 2, you already know what is happening. This isn't over. This isn't over. Not yet. Believe.